Are you ready to truly live your best life? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to discuss 3 powerful tips to help you use the power of manifestation to live your best life. So let's dive right in. Number 1, clear intentions. The first step to living your best life through manifestation is setting clear intentions. It's essential to know exactly what you want in order to attract it into your life. Your intention should be precise, positive, and stated in the present tense as though it has already happened. For instance, instead of saying, I want to be healthy, say, I am healthy. Remember, clarity is power. The more specific you are with your desires, the more the universe can align to bring them into your reality. So here's an action step for you. Take a moment each day to clearly visualize your desires. Put this on your calendar if you need to, or you can just make it a practice of doing it first thing when you wake up or right when you're going to bed, but make sure you do it daily. Feel them, breathe them in, and truly live them in your mind's eye. Now, if you're interested, I have a free meditation video right here on this channel. You can check it out as one of my previously posted videos, and it's all about time and money freedom, which I know a lot of us want, need, and desire. So check that out. And if you need a meditation video for you for a different circumstance, comment down below. Let me know. I would absolutely love to make that video for you. Number 2, cultivate positivity. Manifestation thrives on positivity. Remember, like attracts like. If you maintain a positive mindset, you will attract positive experiences into your life. Start by shifting your thoughts from negativity and fear to positivity and hope. Don't just think positive thoughts, actually feel them. Your emotions are powerful catalysts for manifestation. So, for example, don't just think positive thoughts, actually feel them. Let's dive into that for just a second here. Instead of just saying robotically affirmations over and over again of, I am wealthy, I am wealthy, I am wealthy, I am wealthy. A lot of us do these robotic affirmations from a state of lack. And that's what makes us, when we repeat the affirmations over and over again, very robotic. They're trying to force a change in their external reality by repeating this phrase over and over and over again. The thing is, the words only hold so much power. You need to actually feel and embody the state of what those affirmations are in order for them to manifest into your life very quickly. So, while thinking I am wealthy is certainly better than thinking the opposite, right? It's still not enough to really cause a drastic change. And most people, they get caught in this loop of repeating affirmations over and over again, but they're really not feeling them. In fact, they're feeling the opposite and they're constantly doubting their affirmations. So it creates this like multifaceted, like there's several things going against the affirmations. They're constantly looking in their external reality to see if their affirmations are working. Um, they're feeling negative, that they feel like it's exhausting to repeat a phrase over and over again in their mind when they're not seeing results, makes them really impatient, makes them feel more lack, and it just creates more of an embodiment of the lack of what they want, right? So that's why you want to really focus on feeling them. So you want to, allow the affirmation to create a feeling state within you. So instead of doing them robotically, I'm wealthy, I'm wealthy, I'm wealthy, take a breath. I am wealthy. What does that feel like? What does being wealthy feel like? Focus on what the feeling is that would actually make you say the affirmation of what would actually be the embodiment of I am wealthy for you. Okay. So, action step here, start each day by listing 3 things you are grateful for. And if you have more than 3, awesome, but do at least 3. This practice will help you start your day on a positive note and create a favorable environment for manifestation. Number 3, trust and let go. The final tip is to trust the process and let go. Once you've set your intentions and cultivated a positive mindset, you need to release your desires to the universe and trust that it will take care of the details. This might be the hardest part, but it's also the most crucial. Your job is not to worry about the how, but to trust in the when and what. So, action step here is to practice mindfulness or meditation. to help you let go of control and trust the process. Remember, the universe has a way of working things out in the most unexpected ways. Now, I want to give you guys a little tip from NLP here to help you with this process. And in the teachings of NLP, which is neuro linguistic programming, it basically explains that we see only what's relevant to us. So, for example, you're listening to me right now. Are you aware of what the temperature is in your left hand? Or how about your right foot? What's the feeling of your right foot? You probably didn't notice either of those feelings until I specifically brought them up, right? So your mind was focused solely on, maybe what you can see because you need to pay attention to your surroundings, right? And you're also paying attention to the words I'm speaking to you. Those are probably the two main things you're paying attention to. But there's all these other things going on. There's probably noise in the background that your mind's kind of like not worried about because there's no sudden loud jolty noises that would cause you to have to pay attention to that. Your hands, your foot, the feeling of your clothes on your body, they're there. Those feelings, those sensations are all present. They never went away, but your mind just wasn't focused on them. So I want you to take this and apply it to the way you look at your manifestations. Instead of, oh, it's not here yet, so it's not happening, which is what so many of us fall into, take it a step back. Hey, it is happening. It's just not in my physical awareness quite yet, but it's there. It's manifesting. And the way that I bring it into my physical awareness is by paying attention to what the feeling state is of that manifestation being done, being present now. I pay attention to that now. And then that I'll get the rest of my body, the rest of my physical senses aware of the fullness of that manifestation. So, as an action step for you here as well, practice mindfulness or meditation, which is going to help you let go of control and start trusting in the process, right? You're really going to be able to relax and let go of the lack of it by paying attention, by creating the feeling state of already having it, because that's going to bring up a feeling of peace, a feeling of ease. And it's going to make it a lot easier for you when those anxious feelings come up like, oh no, I need it right now. Where is it? Whew, okay, you know what? I know how this process works. I'm going to let it go, right? Just gonna make that a lot easier for you. Remember, the universe always has a way of working things out in the most unexpected ways. And I'm going to share with you guys some more of my own personal success stories here as well in the future. So you guys can kind of see some of the crazy, amazing ways that things work out. So, in conclusion, by setting clear intentions, maintaining a positive mindset, and learning to trust and let go, you are going to be on your way to manifesting and living your best life. I hope these tips inspire you to take charge of your destiny and remember the power to live your best life lies within you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends if there's someone who you feel is relevant to, and most importantly, make sure to subscribe to this channel for more insight and useful practical tips on manifestation so you don't get caught in the loop of trying to manifest things for years. So make sure to subscribe. You're going to get actionable tips to help you bring your manifestations into your life as quickly as possible and enjoy the process along the way to your manifestations. Here's to living your best life starting now, and I'll see you in the next video.